Well, here we are. This is what we're coming to get. I don't know, that's a 69, 70 Torino to me. Most of it. Some of it's kind of gone there. Of course, it's two-door, it's Torino. You can see how low that thing is in the ground. We'll see how it comes out of there. Should we look inside? I'm not going to try opening the hood under the tree. Holy cow, that opened easy. No, I don't see any keys, and it's a column lock. I was hoping it wasn't. So we will have to get in under the hood and get the transmission out of park. Might be an AC car. I mean, it's still got a seat. I don't know if it's got any stuffing on the bottom, but it's got it on the top. Glass is intact. Yeah, it's going to be a little interesting to try to get that out of there. What's that plate? I don't know if that's the... Looks like a start of an 8, so it's in the 80s. Anyhow, we're going to see what happens here. Got the glove box open. It got some new pieces in there. Some paperworks, owner's manual maybe, registration holder, pair of shears, a keychain, well, a tin box. What does that say? That's a lip balm. Really hoping for keys. I don't see any keys.
I can get to move the slack in the...
I think this here's a sign of things to come for this car. Gas tank's got a hole ripped in it. Yeah, somebody tried pulling this out. That didn't work. Yeah, she's junk. Well, folks, this car is not worth saving. It can sure donate to somebody else, but it is not worth saving. Well, so far the strategy's doing something. It's half loaded, right? I think I need to back the trailer up under it and turn it a little more. Try to straighten the front out. And it's about going to have the weight off the front end. So maybe we can get it out of the tree.
That'd be great.
And that's if there's enough weight on the back of the truck, because it's coming up, to not spin tire. Let's see. Yeah, she sat here a while. That's a little bit of the rocker, quarter panel or something. Critters have dug. One's a smoker. And right there's where the cross member's been sitting. It's still there, a peninsula in the world. But hey, it's moved this far. Still got a ways to go. Got my buddy Kyle working there. Well, we got the hood open. I take the grill out to take the latch off because it was all froze up. Hinges aren't real good. They're stiff as anything. Throw the battery with something in it. We'll jump on the Steal Me box. See what happens. Oh. I don't think it's a great battery, but she twitches. That's kind of a sign something could happen.
Alternator gaining as you're turning.
Yeah. We'll just keep trying this for a while. make it go all the way around. If it don't, it don't. We ain't driving this one. Pulled the plugs on it. I've seen worse. Let's see what's on the other side. Yeah, that one. That might be a problem in that cylinder. We'll see. Well, blew the cylinders out, put some transmission fluid in them, and goes all the way around. May run, who knows. Okay, I blew the cylinders out, put a little oil in there, put the plugs back in. This is what it sounds like with the plugs in. I got that gallop in there, so there's 1 weak cylinder, and well, maybe one no cylinder, 7 weak ones. What happens if we throw some fire at it? Coming up next. Okay, we knew, points ignition, that them points are going to be cruddy. You can see here, we'll get that on the base circle of that cam. Now that follower rub block is on the bottom of the lobe on the distributor. That should be shut. The point should be shut. And then we're going to find what I did with the jumper wire and touch it to positive. There should be a spark there. There's not. That means those points are not contacting. So we're going to clean on that. Okay, I cleaned on them a little bit. Now let's see if we get any spark over here. No. Maybe I need to clean more. Maybe there's a different failure. Let's short them points out. I got nothing going on there. That bypasses the points. Hook the silly thing up. Hold it, yeah. Okay. Applied power to it, and now try to short them out. You see that spark there? That means the coil is doing something. Them are just pretty dang crusty. They should be closed and contacting, but they're not. Cleaning more. Okay, I've cleaned on them more, and this is what you want to see. See that spark there? That means it's passing current through. That is a good thing. Let's see if the coil makes any fire now. Okay. Got the points tweaked and skillfully adjusted. Got the coil wire sitting here on the air conditioner bracket. That is fire. We like fire sometimes. Now to get some wires on it because they're all chewed off.
It's okay, you can keep moving. You don't keep doing it.
Make them wander a little ways away.
Smells vintage in there.
Yeah. Much closer.
It's okay, you can keep moving. You don't keep doing it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Much closer.
It's a tree issue more than anything, dear.
So close.
You weigh nothing. You weigh nothing. I have you. You're okay. And you can watch from here until it
safe.
starts. And then I get caught.
That is just about to start.
I know you scared the little shits out from underneath the front of the trailer. You gotta start it.
See, I said smoke.
How much transmission fluid did you put in it?
Bunch.
So it's gonna smoke hard for a while.
Yeah.
Fit the whatever terrain they were gonna put on.
Oh.